what's up, good people? It's Emily Nene here. Kindly subscribe to my channel, like this video, and watch till the very end because it's another week of lots of fun. So guys, apparently again we are out. We are out and about. We're going to. I'm traveling to my sister's place. My cousin, who I said I call her Big Sis. So I'm headed to her place. I got to up around KU. So, guys, let's get to Kenyatta University. For those who have never been into Kenyatta University, I'm taking you through today. So, sit there, watch this video, and let's have some fun. Okay, guys, let me show you the outfit for the day. Guys, this is my outfit. I have my white shoes that I showed you in the other video. Then I have my biker short, a black one, and a yellow top. Yeah, so that's it, guys. Let's go to Kenyatta University. Oh, guys, so far so good. I'm loving these kicks. And for those who need such, guys, I told you, I'm the plug. I am the plug. Oh, I am the plug. I am the plug. Get some from me. DM me on my Instagram page. Yes, thank you.
Change, yeah. I wish you could stay with me another day. I wish I could change your mind and make you stay. 'Cause I'd give anything to hear you say, I've been loving you eternally. Love is wicked. I'm a pillar 'cause your love is wicked. Cry me a river 'cause your love is wicked. Friends on my room say your love is wicked. But the kisses when you give, don't you know it's wicked? Wait for your call 'cause your love is wicked. Can't sleep at all 'cause your love is wicked. Pain in my heart 'cause your love is wicked. But the love when you give, don't you know it's wicked? Oh yeah. Brick and lace in the place. Your love is wicked. Kill 'em. Baby, I loved you from.
So apparently guys, nimechoka. Leo kuna jua by the way. So ndio nimefika. I'm at Kenyatta University already. One thing about Kenyatta University, it's very clean. I love it. Apart from zile vitu zingine nimesikia kuhusu KU from Sirawaruguru. I felt her that she didn't make it to the graduation list. Manze, these things about graduating. Tunaomba tu God. We're praying to God that pia sisi ikifika hiyo time yetu we also do that. So loves, I was telling you, the main theme of Kenyatta University, I guess, is it's blue. Well, for us in Maseno, ilikuwa green, and this other color, is it mustard or yellow? I'll put the flag over uni hapo, then you see it. But Kenyatta University is very good. It's a public university. I don't know. Is it the second? The first? The first is JKUAT. I don't know. But I'll confirm about that. It's the second largest university. Is it? Okay. But I'm not yet so sure about it. But I will confirm about that. So, yeah, let me go meet with my nephews and nieces. Yeah. And spend the way there. Let's eat. Turus. So guys, in the other video I told you need such a customized mug. I'll be leaving the number of that guy in my description box. Like this one, it's written utajua haujui. And also there's this other mugs that they change the color when it's hot and when it's cold. Hey guys, I'm the plug. Haha. You're coming on that side. You're saying?
Good morning. So it's the second time and the second day.
The second time and the second day.
Okay, it's the second time I've been in your video.
Yeah, on my channel. Uh-huh.
And it's been a long time.
Yeah, it's been a long time since Feb. Ama ilikuwa April. The time you had closed.
Remember.
You don't remember? Before we ingia grade hiyo ingine, si ndio?
Before I go in grade 2.
Guys, have you voted? You're having breakfast, then we go and vote. Yes, then we undo her hair, make her hair. Yes, and we sell her into a very, very pretty lady. Then she'll show us some gymnastics, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Then we'll go outside and also play with the sack. Ile gunia yenye Miles alikuwa nayo jana usiku.
But I can't do most of gymnastics, but I can do handstands, grits, but the splits not yet.
The splits not yet, but you'll show us the little that you will do, okay? What else? See, I told you about you starting your channel. What happened? Will you be starting a YouTube channel?
No.
Why?
No.
Why?
Never.
Never. What about TikTok? Tell people you also do TikTok.
Yeah, I do sometimes without my mom.
Uh-huh.
But there's another one we did together, only one.
With your mom?
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
There's one we saw on Instagram.
Eh?
Yeah.
Which one is your favorite among the ones you've done?
They have not done much of them.
Oh.
But she said she will be doing on Sunday. I don't know, Sundays or on Saturdays.
Yes, it's on Saturdays.
But not on Saturdays, only on Sundays.
On Sundays after church?
Yeah. Because on Saturdays, she sometimes goes to work. She goes to sell her utensils. So, not much.
Not much. Okay. But we'll put one of the videos that you have done here, okay? So that my people can see whatever you do. Alright? And for them to also follow you on your TikTok page.
Me?
Yes, you
That
and
is
your
not
mom.
my channel.
You and your mom. Your mom said she'll write your name.
Why? Why?
Because you're doing good. You don't want...
Okay, I'll be trying to make some other ones.
You can also show some other people how to do gymnastics and we learn from that.
Yeah, but I can do even a handstand outside or on the carpet right now.
Alright, now let me finish tea, then we show the people. Okay?
And I can do a bridge. The one you do like this.
Yeah. And you don't feel pain in your bones?
No,
Yeah.
I'm fine with that.
Mm.
I've not been going to gymnastics for a long time.
When was the last time you went?
How was a long time ago. So my mom said she will not be taking me. She goes on Saturday sometimes. She does not. There's another time I wanted to go, but we did not book early. That's why I didn't go. I stayed at home. But I teach myself sometimes. I look at gymnastic videos and I do it.
You did? Where do you go for training?
Kiambu.
Where specifically in Kiambu?
I don't know, but I'm in Kiambu.
So you have to book before you go. You book. Oh.
My mom can book on a Friday before Saturday or in the morning, very early.
Okay.
And she said I'll be going for art class.
You also know how to draw? Wow.
Because I love doing art, and there's another time I did a sunset by myself.
By yourself?
Yeah, the sunset and some birds flying with the color black.
Wait, do you have the picture?
That was a long time ago.
Oh, okay.
But I can do it again. But my paint is broken, so I'll tell my mom to buy me another one because you see Miles. Sometimes he
Who is Miles?
my brother
Your brother.
small.
Your small brother. What has he done?
Sometimes he plays with my paint. He
Uh-huh.
ruins it. And there's another time my cousin came, which is in Blue and he's 5 years old. They're friends with Miles. So he came and took my paint, hit it on the floor and throw some of my. That was new and my grandmother just bought for me.
Coward.
And
was he beaten?
No.
Why? Why was he not punished? And that is
Before it was broken because of these smiles, and then because of that, and then he threw some of my paint to my neighbor's house.
Miles?
No, my other
your cousin?
Yes.
Sorry about that. But you'll make more, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, then it's okay.
My mom said she'll buy for me the board and the paint.
Hey guys, my nails are red and the cap is red. Mtajua mjui. And the background is red. I'm having a red trouser. Let me show you.
She has a red
Trouser.
I have pink.
You have pink. Yes. So guys, let's catch up as we undo her hair, right? Yeah.
Last. Now everybody go to breakfast. Shayo. That. Shayo. You go bound for the result, though. Nothing to discuss, oh. Cause I did one by default and without any doubt, though. Mama, me, I be adult, though. I no go feed the girl.
Oh, guys, I told you about customizing ones. Look at this one, Mr. Right. Oh, imagine gifting your boyfriend your man's piece. Twinnie, I got you. Hey, Mr. Right. Hey, I guess I took after my sister. It's customizing and surprising people just like that. Took it from her.
Why you say I did nothing for you when if I do anything you want me to do? I'm a white dog in Venice. Why you say I did nothing for you when if I do anything you want me to do? Maybe another time, maybe another life. You will be my wife and we'll get it right. Young fast, last. Now everybody go to breakfast. I have to say bye-bye, yo. Bye-bye, yo. To the
I am on Emily's channel.
You are?
Yeah.
Right now?
Yeah.
With your bad hair?
We started in the morning.
With your bad hair? Emily, have bad hair.
She said.
Guys, I just received my package from Jumia. And guys, if at all you don't follow Kim Kardashian, and Nairobi, what are you doing? Follow them and get discounts when you order your things from Jumia. So this is my package and we'll be opening it with you guys. So it was being delivered. Guys, it was being delivered at our west. So let's get it done. Miles. packaging, guys. I know it's not clear, but I'm showing it to you enough. Yeah, there it is. My skincare products. Then, then we have this. What is this? Focus, baby. Focus.
First of all, photo has no link to the kids. It is just
It's
where we keep
vitamin
our
C
entire
serum.
national register so that anybody
So
can check.
these things were on offer and the delivery was free. So I thought, why not? Can't wait to use these
We
things.
check people using the biometric.
God, woo.
If you cannot be found, if they
So
have
these are the
that
things that I
message,
got. Let me
police
open this
station.
other
The message
this
says
other package.
same you are in the police station. Find out, but if you give us
So
the
we
details
have
of the police station,
this one, this vitamin C. It's a cream. Let's see if open in a car. This is how it looks. Focus, baby girl, focus. Ha. No, it's not focusing. This is how it looks like.
report will give you so we'll come back after.
Doesn't it smell the same? Then kuna hii. What is it called? To reduce spots in 1 week. Charcoal plus salicylic acid. Can't wait to try this. And the favorite part is this thing. Micellar cleansing water. Skincare products to the top. And now we have these masks, face masks. There's this one. Oh, they're the same. They're the same. So I normally on Sundays that's when I do my skincare routine. So guys, we are upgrading. I'm so happy. For this product I used Kim Kardashian's code and I got a discount of, was it 200 off? Yeah, which let me save one way or another. So these are the few products that I've gotten. I'll be showing you the skincare routine. So that's it, guys.